Welcome to English Fun Quiz. You have 10 seconds for each question. You can pause the video if you need more time. Let's begin.
You dash help me. Dash we leave now or do you want to wait? We have to rush. We dash miss the last bus home. I think I dash have failed the test, but I'm not sure. It's too late, you dash go home now. By this time next year, I dash a lot about living independently. I was very sick yesterday. I dash eat anything. Dash I take my shoes off? Please speak louder. I dash hear you very well. The museum is closed. We dash go today. She was very sad because she dash eat an ice cream. I am not late. I dash wait for you. You dash work hard. You dash eat so much chocolate.